Hi guys, welcome to our today's video. I'm very excited to share with you something that is very amazing. Now in our past videos I've gone on about affiliate marketing, its advantage and all this and all that, but today I want to introduce to you something that is very amazing. Something that is going to actually help you see the power of affiliate marketing. Now there's a book that reveals how a person built a 7-figure online business. Now this is $1 million plus business every year, a business that generates over $1 million every year. And guess what? Using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive affiliate sales, commissions, revenue. And guess what? All without ever creating a product, fulfilling services, running ads, or ever doing even customer service. And guess what? This guy just works 30 minutes a day, and guess what? The entire system is automated 24/7. Now this guy's name is Matt Bakak. Now guess what? Email marketing works, but this guy is the master of it all. He's going to show you exactly what he has done in his affiliate marketing business, to build it to such a monumental size, to a 7-figure online business generating empire every single year, millions and millions of dollars. Now we are going to jump straight to his sales page, or rather main website, so that you can exactly see what it is that this guy goes on all about, and what it is that you are going to be getting included with your copy of Secret Email System. That's it. The name of this entire thing is Secret Email System. That is the name of the book. This guy has taken all his years of experience, and they distilled it all into several actually books, one being the main one, and then others supporting, as bonuses to help you copy and implement everything that he did, so that you too can also make your own affiliate marketing business boom. I personally have made money with affiliate marketing using email marketing, but not yet to this level. Now this guy is already on that level, and on this video it goes on all about his business, what he has learned, what it is that he's going to share with you in his book and all that. And as you can see, it's only like under $6, 5.60 cents, and then you come in, you get your own copy, you go through it, and you implement. Don't come and buy this ebook if you're not going to implement. Now this guy knows what affiliate marketing is all about, and he does it with email marketing. This means that this thing, once you set it up, it's automated. Now I'm going later on in future videos, I'm going to show and share with you exactly how I go about doing my own thing, but this guy is the master of it all, because I personally have gone through his training, I've implemented his material, and indeed I've seen results with it. So as you can see, the model works. This is the old way of doing things. You get a product, create a landing page, all that. As you can see, it's a very long process, but his process is very simple. You need to build a list, mail that list, but how you build that list and to mail that list is what separates struggling affiliate marketers out there and those who are actually crushing it. And Matt is going to go all up. He's going to show you and share with you exactly what you need to do to avoid being a struggling affiliate marketer, because affiliate marketing works, yes, if you put in the work, yes, but if you put in the right work, not the wrong work. You have to put in the right work. And Matt, after all these years of testing and trying so many things, he goes on and shows you exactly how to get paid automatically, without having to work all these long hours every single day. He does this in just 30 minutes and is done for the day. Imagine how that would mean for you if you are generating millions of dollars every single year. As you can see, just affiliate commissions, notifications coming in and all this and all that. This is what is going to share with you. As you can see here, proof, of 1.1 million dollars, that he has generated just from this, platform. And he does have several platforms, and this is year after year. Look at this, over $2 million. Wouldn't this money, really do a lot for your lifestyle? Imagine what you will do, with all that money. Even a fraction of it will be okay. You will be set, and this works for everything. As you can see, you also ClickBank. What you can apply email marketing to whatever it is, as long as it's affiliate marketing or whatever it is. It could be even your own product. This guy is going to show you exactly what you are going to do to get results online, actual results, consistent results, not something that works this year and then the next year it's not working, or this month, next month it's not working. This you are going to, once you implement and get the hang of it, that's it. You're going to be consistently earning online with affiliate marketing without having to do much. You just wake up early in the morning or whatever, whenever you want, go to the gym, come back, or just email your people, and then you are done for the day. But it's how you go about doing it that this guy is going to actually open your mind to. You are going to see exactly how to do it the right way, to get consistent results year in, year out, month in, month out, week in, week out, day in, day out, and then you can, as you can see, all this money has enabled him to enjoy life. He does exactly what makes him happy, his hobbies, things that, what is it that makes you feel good? Is it biking? Is it mountain climbing? Is it going, on a joyride? What is it that makes you feel, that you've spent your day amazingly well? Now, with secret email system, if you implement this strategy that this guy is sharing with you, Matt is sharing with you, you are going now to start being able to experience what it is that you love doing each and every day. Because affiliate marketing is going to free you, but Matt's system is going to free you even more to be able now to start doing, living life on your own terms. Now, as you can see, you also be getting a money back guarantee should you implement this system and it doesn't work for you, which I highly doubt. But if you do, you've got the money back guarantee, you can come in, request and get it back. But surely, if you are going to implement this method and everything that I'm going to be teaching you in this video, in this channel, or rather, I can guarantee you are going to see money. If it's money that you want to see, you are going to see money. Money is going to come to you, if you implement, if you take the time and implement all that you are going to learn, you are going to see money. And secret email system is the best. This guy knows exactly what it is that he's talking about. And as you can see, there's so much that he has included, his own email swipes that have helped him generate over $2 million. Sorry about this, sorry about that. So as you can see, you're also going to be getting the exact lead generation template that uses to build lists and all this. You're also going to get other bonuses included for you, even a calculator, so that you can even calculate and know exactly how much it is that you can expect to get from your affiliate marketing business and all that, and any other thing that you'd want to optimize to ensuring that your affiliate marketing business is a success. Now, secret email marketing system works. I myself have also included in some other bonuses for you, surprise bonuses. So if you do come, I'm going to leave a link to this to this official page below, so that you can come in, view, check out his video, hear exactly what it is that is telling you, because he's the one that is going to be guiding you. Should you have any questions, he's the one that is going to answer them for you. If you want extra help from him, he's going to actually hold your hand and walk you through everything, so that you can ensure that you are a success online with affiliate marketing. Now, that is all that this channel is all about. So if it is results that you want with affiliate marketing and you are a beginner, you've tried everything else online and you haven't yet seen any results, come in, download this ebook, go through it, implement it, and I can assure you you're going to see results. It has worked for me, it has worked for him, it has worked for millions out there. It is going to work for you. You are not going to be the exception, and once you start seeing those affiliate commissions coming in your way, you are going to feel really good. You are going to feel really empowered. And there's no telling what affiliate marketing business can do for you and your family's finances. Now, that is it for this video. It's something that personally it has helped me, and I thought it wise to share it with you. So come in, check exactly what Matt is all about, what he's saying. But this guy knows his stuff. He's legit, and with this product I can assure you that it's top quality, and you are going to get the most out of it if you implement everything that he shares with you in it. Now, that is it for this video about secret email marketing system. So do come check the secret email system, get your copy, go through it, also implement the bonuses that I've also included for you, and share your results in the comment section below. I would love to hear how it's working for you. Everyone has got their own experiences with affiliate marketing, so I would also want to hear your own experience with it, your own results. Share everything that you can in the comments below, so that others too can see and also be motivated to take action on affiliate marketing, and also implementing all these strategies so that they too can affect their income positively. That is it for this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it, and until next time, happy earning and God bless you.